everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Noah Kellman, and I'm here to teach you everything that I know about modern jazz and neo-soul piano. And actually, in today's video, what I wanted to show you are some neo-soul improv exercises. So I actually wrote these out a while back for my PDF 20 neo-soul improv exercises. I know, super clever name, but if you do want to check that out, it's got all of these exercises in all keys and more. And that's at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store. But what these exercises are going to actually help you do is focus in on, kind of all aspects of neo-soul / jazz influence harmony and improvisation. So, these are really kind of borrowing from the current modern grades of what I like to refer to as neo-jazz, that kind of hybrid of neo-soul and jazz. So these exercises will really help you in several ways. They'll actually help you build up technique. They'll help you build up improvisational right-hand vocabulary. And they'll also help you with your harmonic sense as well. So I hope you enjoy them, and as always, just a quick reminder, if you need to slow any of these down, just go into the bottom right of the video, click the little settings gear, and you can actually just set the video to a slower speed, even play along or follow along with the exercises. And super quick, before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos with awesome free exercises just like this one. All right, let's get into it. Just a super quick reminder, if you actually want to check out all 20 of these exercises in all keys, check out the PDF package at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store. Also super quick, so I am someone who has worked really hard to develop some great teaching methods for neo-jazz harmony and improvisation. So, I always hesitate to say that my methods are unique because I'm sure other people have thought of similar things, but I'm very proud of the methods and they're what I teach in my courses or people who actually work with me one-on-one. And what myself and my team are doing right now is we are still accepting completely free calls. So if you wanted to actually book a call with one of us, you can literally click a link in the description, book a call, and what we want to do is just talk about you, talk about your goals, and see if there's a good way for us to help you get from point A to point B and just really help you achieve them. So if you're interested in that, I'm not completely sure how much longer we're going to be doing these calls, but we are doing them right now, and we're here to help. So feel free to click the link in the description and get one set up. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to get some really, really good material, whether vocabulary, harmony, or whatnot out of these exercises. As always, if you're new to the channel, please consider clicking subscribe and the little bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Also, if you got a lot out of the video, please be sure to hit the like button to help me move it up in the YouTube algorithm. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.